Mark English, the many times Jefferson Speedway International Champion, on the pole in car number 57. Second 10-lapper for the dash cars, ready to go. Up and away, good start for English. Can't get to the corner though before Bridges, side by side. Out of the corner, back to the lead for English, but still gives Bridges a lane up top. Bridges tries to shoot to the lead off of 4. It'll be English leading lap 1. Lyle Phillips in 3rd spot. Seliger gives chase in the 06. Russell in 5th with Lapierre right behind him in the 55 car. Good racing for the lead, good side-by-side racing out of turn number 4. Todd Bridges will lead lap 2. Lyle Phillips trying to find a right spot to make a move as he closes up on the lead duo out of turn number 2. Seliger into 4th. Kyle Lapierre looks for 5th spot into turn number 3. And they're still going. Bridges your leader. Yellows out. English kind of clunking along. Finstad got collected in 33. No real damage to any of the vehicles, at least that we can see. Hopefully there's not more than what meets the eye to Mark English in the car number 57. Tim Finstad pulls away in car number 33. English will pull away as well in 57. All parties involved able to drive away. No dents or dings on either of the vehicles. We'll get them lined back up for a restart with still 9 laps to go in the second of 3 heat races for the Midwest Compact Dash Cars. Etc., etc. We'll get to all that rules stuff when we need to. Phillips and Seliger bring him to green, 9 to go in heat 2. Seliger with a good run on the bottom, takes a small advantage off of turn 2. Kyle Lapierre and David Russell for 3rd, Finstad in 5th and 33. Even for the lead, Phillips takes it at the line. Lyle Phillips to the lead, Seliger back to the bottom, Lapierre into 3rd. Now Finstad wants 4th. Front 5 getting away, front 5 getting real close, 7 laps to go. Here comes Kyle Lapierre, looking for 2nd as Seliger tries to clear Phillips for the lead. Finstad off the pace to the infield in 33. Halfway next time by, 3-car dance up front. George Seliger into the top spot. Kyle Lapierre drives it down here for 2nd spot. He'll be halfway home this time by. 5 up, 5 to go for George Seliger, but the 55 is in 2nd. Mark English blasting back through the field. English looks for 5th down in turn 1 already. To the inside of Art Brockman in the 70. 2-car length advantage for George Seliger ahead of Kyle Lapierre. Then Phillips, then Russell, then the side-by-side battle for 5th. English looking for that spot. Kyle Lapierre closing up on the rear bumper of George Seliger. Just a little bit. English noses into 5th in the 57 car. It'll be 2 laps to go. Lapierre closes right to the trunk of Seliger. Seliger able to get away. White flag coming, 1 to go. Can Seliger hold on? Peak to the bottom by Lapierre in 1. Almost there, can't get to him. Seliger gets away down the back straightaway. One more time, it'll be George Seliger. Mark English blasts back through the field. The 5th to the 57. 4th spot to David Russell in the 8 car. 3rd spot, 35, Lyle Phillips. Kyle Lapierre looking much better than he did earlier in the day. That car is figured out and fixed, and he knows how to get around here. 2nd spot in the 55, and your winner of heat number 2 for the Midwest Compact Dash Series makes the trip from way up in Wausau, Wisconsin. How about it for George Seliger? He's a good one. North Central Wisconsin is 2 for 2 so far. So Wausau, North Central, most certainly it's Central. I know Manitowish Waters is north. All right, one more heat coming up for the dash cars. I believe this will be the heat that tries to determine